Assalamu alaikum. This is Shabir Hossain Bhatti and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, share this video with your friend and family members. HLOOKUP function, H stands for horizontal lookup. This is an Excel built-in function to search a specific value from the given data table based on the given criteria. HLOOKUP function basically performs horizontal lookup, and there is another function in Excel which is called VLOOKUP function, which will search the data as a vertical search, okay, based on the given criteria. There is another function which is called index match function. This function is more powerful and more professional than VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function, because the index match function will search the data in row and column at the same time, but HLOOKUP is only to search row wise data and VLOOKUP is used to search column wise data. Okay, let's move forward. HLOOKUP, as mentioned on the top, the syntax HLOOKUP, after that there will be a lookup value and then table array, then row index number, and at the end within square braces, which means it's optional, range lookup. What is lookup value? Lookup value is a value that I want to search in the data array, table array. What is data array or table array? Table array is a combination of two or more rows, which is the source of the searchable data. Row index number. Row index number, when we select multiple rows, the HLOOKUP function automatically give the number to each row from 1 to so on, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so on. And finally range lookup, it may have true or false. So true means approximately match and false mean exactly match. What is this approximately match and what is the exact match, we will see through the practice. This is a typical example of HLOOKUP. I basically want to search the data in B14. B14 consists of Shabir, which means it will first of all search in the first row, which is Shabir. Okay, so it find in the Shabir column, this column. After that, B2 to G10, this is the range to search the data. Then number 3 mean row number 3. So first row, second row, third row, it will go to the third row, and then Shabir 61 will be the answer of this result. There are some important points to be noted here. First, in case of duplicate appearance of the data, function will return the first matching value from the data. It will not look the second, third or fourth appearance. Always it will give you the first appearance in the data table or array. Then it is a single dimension function. As I mentioned earlier, there are two functions. One is horizontal lookup, one is vertical lookup. So it will just search the data horizontally, not vertically, and then if the function unable to find the data, it will return # NA, not applicable error. So definitely NA is error and it's not meaningful message. To convert NA error to a meaningful message, we can use if NA or if error built-in function to display a meaningful result or display a meaningful message. We will see through the practice. Let us go back to our Excel sheet to learn the same formula. I have already developed this formula. You can see B14 is the Shabir, B2 to G10, and then number 3 1 2 3, and this is number 61. Okay, let us type from scratch is equal to H lookup. Okay, I want to search this data, comma, table is starting from this to this, comma, 1 2 3, let us say 4 Urdu, so it will give me 58, comma, false. FALSE, false. So this is 58. I can make this formula as dynamic. Just change this Shabi to Ahmad. It will give me the answer of Ahmad, and then let us change it to Aziz, which will give me 65, and so on. I can also use this 4 instead of 4. Let me just select this cell, or let us say this cell, and enter. Let me show you number 3. So this is number 3 data, then 4, then 1. So you can see I can select by making it a dynamic function as well. Okay, if it is deleted, as I mentioned, it will give you an error, not applicable error, means the data, the system did not find the data. So how can I manage? In the beginning, if error, and then at the end, if this function will give me error, comma, data not found. So then it will give me data not found, that system unable to find the data. If I have selected this one, so it will give me data. If I select this, it will give me data. If I select total, it will give me the total. But if nothing mentioned here, then you can see no data found. Hope you understand this concept. This is based on the false argument. Let us see how the true argument works. Okay, I have created this scenario. So the criteria is if a person has from 0 to 99,999, it will have a 0% commission. From 100,000 to 500,000 minus 1, 49,999. Okay, 499,999, so it will have 0.5%. If it is between 100,000 to 500,000, it will give me 5%. Between 5 to 1 million, 1, between 1 to 1.5 million there, and so on. If the data is more than 2 million, it will give me 2.5%. So this is the criteria, because there is no exact match, so I will use here as a true is equal to H lookup. I want to search this sale number, okay, comma, this is the data where the system will search. As I earlier mentioned, the system will search in the first row, and then I need the output from, definitely there is only one row, so I need the result from the second row, and then at the end true. So it will give me 0%, because it is between 0 to 100,000, so 0. And let me just fix this data so that the time I will drag the formula, it will not change. So that's it. You can see 185,000 is in between 100,000 and 500,000, so it give me 0.5%, and so on. Now I need to calculate the amount is equal to percentage multiply by the percentage amount, the amount of sale, and then just drag this formula. You can see this is the amount of commission that the salesperson will get based on their sales. Okay, so if I want to use these two functions as one function, what will I do is equal to h lookup sale value in this data. F4 is used to fix the references, then row number 2 and then true. This will give me the percentage commission and I need the value. So what I will do, multiply by this number which is the sale. It will give me directly the same value that I took from two different formulas. Okay, hope you understand this understand this concept. Let us go back to our presentation. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friend and family members, and send me your feedback for further improvement.